New windshield wipers for a busted windshield. Good hands though, on a shitty car. It's so hard not to work on this car when it's here. It's like, I'm having a good time. I just sprayed WD-40 all over. Whether that's good or bad, it's good to me. I need some more. These rockers are plastic. That's nice. I got the trim off and put it all in the trunk. I'm going to take the bumpers off. Reverse light mostly off. This I put some WD-40 on so I can get this trim off. I'm gonna fix this dent. I got this panel off. I forget what it's called when you enter. I'm gonna clean out the big junk. I just got this new tool. It's supposed to clean this paint off quickly. It's Harbor Freight version. I found that from these guys on their video. Check them out. Let's try it. All right, here goes nothing. All right, that would have taken me a half an hour. Well, okay, 10 minutes. What was that? 10 seconds? I think we're gonna be good.